Okay, welcome to video number 4, which will talk about how to download a build. And there's two different ways. Way number 1 is just hit download build. This will then download the build and allow you to save it to your hard drive as a zip file. So this is just like uploading a thing and downloading a thing, right? So you can see here. Let's go check it out, right? And if I unzip it, you can see the file that we just downloaded. Great. If I unzip it here, right, then I'll be able to play the game that I just downloaded. So this is the sure shot, like, kind of backup way. Like, worst case, if our system doesn't work for whatever reason for you, you can just upload the game and then somebody can download it. Basically like sending a file. The problem with that is it's not going to capture anything. So whoever's playing your game is just going to play it ad hoc. You're not going to be able to know anything about it. So, you know, that's like our backup. But what's really cool about what we built with Granola is that it's actually possible to play the game and actually see what the other person is doing, you know, very exactly, like the video, all that stuff. But to do that, that party has to download our client. So to download the Granola client, which right now it's extremely confusing, it's called Epoch, blah blah blah, just bear with us as we change the name. By the time this launches in mid-November, we'll have done that. But yeah, you click here, and it will ask you to download the Epoch ML setup. Download that, run it, and here, like I'll show you, I have one already downloaded. So I'm going to run the setup, and you'll see it runs our setup, and then we'll run the client. So let's wait for that to happen. After the installation, it will launch the client. Sometimes it'll be hidden back there. Usually it won't log you in like this. I just happen to have stuff in the background. It'll bring you to this screen. So just log in with your usual credentials, like before, like, you know, your email and password. In the advanced settings, please don't mess with that. That's advanced. Leave it alone. If you change that value, like, you won't be able to log in. It's going to be trying to connect to like one of our development servers or something weird that's not supported. You can see this is the desktop client. If you kind of squint, it looks just like the website. Oh, I guess that locked me out. Let me just close the get down from here. But it's just like before, except the desktop client has a lot of other things that it can do. Primarily, it can download builds for you. So you can kind of see here, now it looks very similar, but if I hit download build, not only will it download the files to my computer, it will extract the build, make sure all the files are there, and kind of double check everything for you. So you can see now, I've downloaded the build, but instead of giving me a file, it gives me a run session option. If I click here on this link, it'll show me the files that I loaded locally, and you can see it's in this kind of wacky path where we're saving all of your files and things like that and managing your files. So this is kind of like a little mini, you know, game developer Steam, if you will. You can archive builds and, you know, do all this stuff here. I wouldn't recommend messing with that. Now once you have this, you can go in and hit run session, and it'll take you to this run session. What's really cool about what I'll show you next, and this is how the judges will play your game, so that way you can actually see what they think and what they're doing. So I'm gonna go and end this video, because now I've shown you how to download the game either from the website or in the context of the desktop client. That's it for this video, and the next video I'll show you how to run a session. We have 3 different ways to do sessions, and they're really fun, and I hope that it's going to be very useful, not just in getting feedback from the judges for you, but also in terms of the development process in a game jam where you need a lot of feedback from folks really rapidly. Okay, that's it for this video.